So as far as my car goes, hopefully you guys have seen the videos. This thing is a 2012 Dodge Challenger RT. Her name is Helena. She is awesome. Right now she's got a matte black wrap on her with kind of a brushed gold overlay wrap. It's got some awesome designs in it, a little Cthulhu action going on. What I'm going to try is taking the bronze metallizer plasti dip and going over the whole car in it. It's going to hopefully create kind of like an oil rub bronze finish. It's what I'm going for. Then taking the gold overlay off, and that's going to leave that design in the matte black with the oil rub bronze for the most of the car. That is my dog Byron. He's very excited about it as well. So that's coming up. Tomorrow we're also going to be doing the hydro dipping, like I said, going for kind of a darker wood grain look. And apparently he approves of that as well. So it's a whole lot of new stuff coming up. We're going to be plasti dipping a Civic hatchback soon in a dark blue, and then we're going to be checking out the new anthracite color in a different car. So, you know, like I said, subscribe, stay tuned, awesome things coming. Thanks, guys.